In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Google Meet settings, starting from joining or creating a meeting to customizing your layout for an optimal viewing experience. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user looking to make the most of Google Meet, this step-by-step guide is here to help you every step of the way. Let's begin by either joining an existing meeting or creating one from scratch. This is your first step. If you already have a meeting link, simply use it to join. If not, you can create a meeting directly from your Google Calendar or by visiting Google Meet's homepage. Establishing a secure connection is paramount, so ensure you have everything ready before you begin. Once you're in the meeting, you might find the need to change your view settings to better suit your needs. Google Meet offers several layout options that can enhance how you see your participants and shared content. To access these options, navigate to the bottom of your screen and locate the 3 vertical dots beside the Leave Call button. This is your gateway to more intricate settings that allow better control over the meeting environment. After clicking the 3 dots, you'll want to select Change Layout from the menu that appears. This section is where you will have the freedom to customize how the video feeds are displayed. Google Meet provides a few different layouts, each designed to suit different contexts and preferences. Whether you need a layout for a lively team discussion or a calm one-on-one presentation, adjustments can be made right here. With the layout options now in front of you, you can choose from Auto, which dynamically adjusts the view based on participant activity, Tiled, which displays everyone in equal-sized tiles, Spot for when you want to focus primarily on the speaker, and Sidebar, which highlights the active speaker while placing others in a sidebar view. Consider which one best fits the tone and nature of your meeting. Each serves its unique purpose and enhances the overall meeting engagement when selected accordingly. Make your preference by clicking on the layout that feels the most comfortable or useful for your situation. Remember, this can be adjusted anytime during the meeting, so don't hesitate to switch if your initial choice isn't optimal. Finally, if there's a specific participant you need to focus on, Google Meet offers the option to pin their video feed. Simply find their tile and click on the pin icon. This will ensure their tile remains visible irrespective of the active speaker, allowing you to keep track of important nonverbal cues or crucial sections of the presentation. And there you have it. Through these simple steps, you can join or create a meeting and personalize your layout for better productivity and an improved meeting experience. Stay tuned for more insightful tips on using Google tools effectively in your daily tasks.